Have you ever bought something online, only to regret it later? Perhaps it didn't live up to your expectations, or maybe you simply changed your mind. For many gamers, this dilemma is a common occurrence when it comes to digital purchases, such as in-game cosmetics. Today, we're diving into a question that has been on the minds of many Lunar Client users. Can you refund Lunar Client Cosmetics? Imagine spending hours grinding for in-game currency, only to splurge on a cosmetic that you later realize you don't love. It's a frustrating situation, and it's one that many gamers have faced. But when it comes to Lunar Client Cosmetics, the question of refunds can be a bit more complex. Lunar Client's refund policy. Let's start by taking a look at Lunar Client's official refund policy. While the specific details may vary over time, the general consensus is that Lunar Client does not offer refunds for digital purchases, including cosmetics. This is a common practice among many online gaming platforms and digital marketplaces. The rationale behind no refunds. The reasoning behind this policy is often straightforward. Once a digital product is purchased and delivered, it becomes difficult to return it. Unlike physical goods, digital items can be easily replicated and distributed. Additionally, many cosmetics are considered non-refundable due to their nature. They are often unique or limited-time offers, making them difficult to resell or repurpose. Exceptions to the rule. While Lunar Client's general policy is strict, there may be some exceptions. In rare cases, if a cosmetic is found to be defective or if there is a significant technical issue, the company might consider a refund. However, these situations are typically quite rare, and it's important to have realistic expectations. Alternative solutions. If you're unhappy with a Lunar Client cosmetic, there are a few alternative solutions you might consider. One option is to try reaching out to Lunar Client's customer support. While they may not be able to offer a refund, they might be able to provide assistance or suggestions. Another option is to explore the community. There are many online forums and communities dedicated to Lunar Client. You might be able to find other players who are willing to trade or sell cosmetics. This can be a great way to get rid of something you don't want while potentially acquiring something you do. Buyer beware. When it comes to digital purchases, it's always a good idea to exercise caution. Before spending your hard-earned money, make sure you're completely satisfied with the purchase. Do your research, read reviews, and consider the potential risks involved. While Lunar Client's refund policy may seem restrictive, it's important to remember that this is a common practice in the gaming industry. While there may be rare exceptions, it's generally not possible to get a refund for digital purchases. If you're considering buying Lunar Client Cosmetics, be mindful of this policy and make sure you're making an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.